now that I got the TV sitting right there, let's look at what else is in the box. Looks like instruction manual, an installation guide, whatever. And there's nothing else except these support things, which I'm going to put the rest in the back. Alright, now let's get this off of there. Alright, now let's get to, again, I'm going to put the camera down because I did not want to damage this TV at all because it would be very expensive to replace. So I'm going to put the camera down again to take the wrapping off probably, and then to get it on here. So now I took the plastic wrapping off the stands, and we're going to put the stands in. Looks like this one goes in. I hope these are easy to put in. Oh, wait a minute. Here, never mind. Yeah. Have to put the camera down. Okay. I'm going to see if I can get that in there, because I don't think it's supposed to be hanging out that much, so I'm going to try to get that. I was able to get it in there a little bit more, but let's put this one in now. I'm going to bring it to the end. Oh! Wait a minute. That one just went all the way in. Let's try this one now. Because that one has to go all the way in then. Oh, yep. There we go. Got it. Now they're both in. And now I'm going to use two hands again to flip up the TV, or to pick it up, and then I'll get back to you then. Alright, so I got the power cord out of the plastic wrapping, and got the TV flipped up, so let's plug her in. Oh my gosh. All the ports back here are tucked away. But anyway, I'm going to turn on my light. Alright, so now that I got my light on my camera, we can plug in. It's right there. I don't know if you can see that, but AC power. And let's plug the thing into it. Just like that. There we go. Okay. Now that we got that in there, let's plug the port into the wall outlet. Okay. So I haven't hooked up anything to the TV yet, which I will do later. But, well, yeah, actually, I'm just going to skip to the next scene now, where I'm going to cut the camera, and I'm going to edit to the next scene, and I'm going to hook up all of my stuff to it. I'll get my Xbox in here in a little bit, but maybe tomorrow or something. Maybe tonight, but I doubt it. Probably just going to hook up the stuff that I already have in here, but... Alright, so I did not turn on the TV yet. I unboxed the remote, put batteries in it. Put the batteries in it, and then I got my Xbox in here, and I also got all my other stuff hooked up. So, well, let's power this thing on for the first time. Oh, I'm excited. So excited. Ooh, power light. Yes. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. No way. This is sick. Oh, what's this? Choose your mode. Select store demo for in-store display. Select home. Oh my gosh. Select store demo for in-store display. Yes, home use, of course. Select the language. Yes, I'd like English. TV signal. Select how you want to watch TV. Cable, antenna, satellite. I don't watch TV. I just watch stuff on my Xbox, so I'm just gonna skip that. If you skip TV setup, you cannot change channels with the Vizio remote. You can set up antenna or TV later in the setting. Okay, back. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I guess satellite. Okay. Okay, no. Yeah, let's just go cable. Whatever, because we do. How is your cable connected? It's direct from wall. Oh, wait. Crap. Coaxial. Come on. Alright. Now it's searching. I do have a VCR hooked to it, that's why I'm doing this. Because I do sometimes watch VCRs. Sorry, VHSs, but not that often, but I do still want to watch those in here. Okay, I'm going to cut to the next scene after this is done, because this is going to take forever, so see you then. Alright, so it found all the channels. This is the VCR right here. And if I go here, and find my cable on here. Oh, here it is. Satellite actually with dish. Not exactly sure. Oh. Nope. Good to know we have that on our playlist. The channel I usually watch. Don't want to get copyright strike. Are you sure we can get home like this? So I'm just going to shut that off now. But actually there is one more thing that I want to try. Input. Oh look, it even sees where I am on there. But HDMI 1. Let's turn this on. Come on, work. Come on. No freaking way. Oh my god. I don't even have my controller back here yet. But this is awesome. This is awesome. Awesome. Okay. And this is it, guys. I'm so excited. But see ya.